If you want to know how to set default input on the Pioneer Xumo TV, so that when you turn on your TV, it goes straight to the input of your choice instead of the home screen, then here's how you set HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, etc. or any other input source as default on the Xumo TV in less than a minute. By default, as you can see here, when I turn on my Pioneer TV, it opens in the home screen even though we have two HDMI devices connected and turned on. So to change the default startup screen from home to any other input of your choice, you'll need to open Settings. Then go down to Antenna and Inputs. And if you scroll down, you'll find the default input option. Now you just change the default input from home to any input that you want to use. For example, our PlayStation or our Apple TV. Or what you can also do is select last use input, and this will turn your TV on to the last input that you used. And after you have selected your desired option, whenever you turn on the Pioneer Xumo TV, it will open the same input every time, and you won't have to do it manually. So that's how simple it is to set a default input on the Pioneer Xumo TV. If this helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more.